So this screen door, we're going to remove it, and we're going to replace it with a heavy-duty sliding screen door with a large pet door. Okay,
that'll be fun.
It's gonna be fun, right?
Yeah.
Well, so I hope the customer
enjoys
likes
it.
this. Yeah, I hope he enjoys it. Yeah.
Gift. No, well, not the customer, the dog will.
Well, I hope. Yeah. Oh, the dogs are barking. Hey guys, how are you? We brought you a gift. I'm Steve.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. This is Aiden.
Howdy.
Nice to meet you, Aiden.
See you.
So we brought them a little something. You want to check it out?
Oh, thank you. Look, Sicily, Maui.
Do they like to?
Look, little toy. Huh? Who wants some chicken? Huh? Look. Now your little toy. Grab it. Look at your little toy, grab it. Flying pig. Look, flying pig. You want a Maui? He's like, I already got mine.
I can take the wrappers off. I got a knife. How about the rubber chicken? You see?
Oh, yeah.
There's also some treats in there we could use.
Oh.
Aiden, go. Here. Go inside. You wipe your feet.
Go ahead.
All right.
It's like, wait for me.
The next one. Let's see. It's like, where's mine? Okay.
You get the flying pig, grab it.
Hey, you want it? Oh, he's fighting for it. He's fighting for it. Oh, no.
Oh, no. It tastes like
Decent.
almond butter and blueberry.
Decent.
Oh, no.
Let's see if,
They look.
oh,
Yeah, the other one's Don't try this at home. All right, I'm gonna get this done. Take this off. They're like, the dogs are watching me. Like, what are you doing? Alright. Now.
so that's how you do it.
That is how you do it.
Easy
Super
enough.
and simple. Alright. There's just one mosquito going around me, man.
Look, we even got a volunteer here helping. While he's doing that, start cutting the rubbers off the bug seal. Yeah, you do that last. Oh. Okay. Teamwork
Makes the dream work.
other side. There you go. Make sure to give that video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And select the alert notification so that way Aiden gets alerted that you guys are going to be watching our videos.
I'm watching you always.
Doesn't work that way. And if you comment, guess what? You may win a free gift.
That was so random.
I'm gonna get you a brand new car. Oh wait, no, he's gonna give you a car.
You get a car. You get a car.
You get a car. You get a car.
You all get a car.
Oh man. Okay, ready? Put it up.
Man, these are black. Pretty cool.
It's a little.
There's no audio on this part.
Oh, this one's already up.
They're already up, so you can just loosen them once up.
All right. This guy's pretty big. Okay. Yeah.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good. I know what I'm doing.
It's on the track. It's all good.
It is on the track.
The door might not be clearing the track, though, right? Is it clearing? Barely. Yeah, it does. Good. Lay it down. Just want to make sure it's clearing. Other side. Dude, you don't have to over torque it. It's fine.
I know.
Loosen it. You didn't loosen that one.
I did. I don't think this one's on the track. It is on the track. Okay, good.
Is it on?
It's gotta go up.
It's got to go up.
There you go.
Is it on the track now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on there.
Tighten it down while you have it up. Pull it all the way up. There you
Yeah,
go.
I got it, yeah.
How's it slide? Okay.
Perfect.
You should go in to take the latch off there. I'm gonna say.
Yeah, I should go in.
You need to follow him?
Oh,
Go inside, but no.
oh wait, there's a latch already. You think it latch?
No, you need to use a new one.
Yeah, no, I'm just like
Did they
I
remove
have
the
to take
old
off
one?
the old one.
Yeah.
You wanna go from the inside?
Hey,
Whatever.
hey, you guys.
Here's Cicely. Ollie.
All right, take off the old latch. We have our latch with our screws.
You don't need.
Let's check really quick. So if it goes right here, so it has to be like right. All right, lock it just to see what goes in there. I guess it's got to be like right here. All right, let's test it. Sorry, it's not in the way. Okay, it's hitting there.
The bug seal's good too.
It'll go a little higher. Hey. Slow down. Perfect, just right.
No, straighten it. Straighten it before you.
Now I'll go inside. Perfect.
Good. Buttery smooth. Give that video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you guys later.
Comment. If you have any questions, ask Aiden. Put them in the comments. Take care. God bless. Catch you next time.
Later, guys.
To get your all-in-one sliding screen door with built-in pet door, click the link. Start that again. Ready? To get your all-in-one sliding screen door with built-in pet door,
Click the link below.